Hi, my name is Emily and I work here at PJCO as an online QuickBooks specialist. I am an advanced pro advisor and I hope that this video answers any of your questions or queries you may have. If it doesn't, however, there will be a link at the end of the video taking you to my Find an Accountant page. Here you'll find reviews from some of my current clients and you can get in touch with any questions or queries you may have. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for any future updates and new videos. Thank you very much.
In this video, I am going to show you how to effectively use bank rules within QuickBooks Online. You can use rules within the system to allow QuickBooks to automatically categorise transactions by transaction type, payee, account and VAT code. To set up a rule, navigate to the banking section. Rules are commonly used for regular payments that happen, for example, monthly, like a direct debit or a salary payment. Let's take this director's salary payment here on the 25th of December for £685. Click on the transaction and copy the bank detail which is pulled through directly from the bank provider. Next, click on the bank rules and then click on New Rule. Name the bank rule accordingly, so in this case I'm going to call it Emily Director Salary. It is for money out of the account. You can actually set rules up for money coming in regularly as well. And make sure the bank account is selected to the correct account. So in this case, it will be the current account. The next section aims to ask QuickBooks to allocate the transaction based on the information it recognises within the system. So we want the bank text to be the same as what we have just copied from the bank detail. So I'm just going to paste that into there. We could also add a line to say that we want the amount to equal £685. This refines the bank rule a little further and it makes sure that going forward that maybe the transaction will be less likely to be allocated incorrectly. The transaction type will be a transfer and it will be to the director's current account. You can add a memo in here if you want to as well. This will appear in the description box of the expense that we are creating. You can also choose to tick the automatically add to my books box. This means that the transaction will never appear in the for review section in the bank awaiting for you to click add. It will simply just be added into the In QuickBooks tab as soon as the transaction is pulled through from the bank. In this example, I'm just going to untick it to show you what happens. Once you're happy with the information, you can click Save. If we now go back to the banking section, you can see that the transaction for the director's salary has now got a rule icon beside it, which means we can just simply click Transfer.